A hose reel cover is a simple way to protect your reel from the elements and keep it looking its best. And we've just updated our classic cover to be even better. Made from UV protected 600D PVC-backed polyester and available in two colours, beige and charcoal, to match your reel, these updated classic reel covers are built to withstand the tough Aussie elements. The 600D weave and PVC backing ensure these covers are water resistant, UV safe and extremely hard wearing. To put the cover on, first unzip it fully and unfasten the Velcro tab. This will enable you to slide the cover over the reel. Holding the two zip ends, gently slide the cover over the reel. The long panel of the fabric will sit neatly across the top of the reel. Zip up the cover until you reach the leader hose. Then fasten the Velcro on the other side to secure it in place. The classic hose reel covers come in a range of sizes, so make sure you select the right one for your reel. That's it, just 3 simple steps for long-lasting hose reel protection.